This feature will allow staff members and business owners to book unavailable time within the week view of the calendar. So to do this, all we have to do is find a date and time. So we're going to use Wednesday, October 6th at 11 a.m. And we're just going to click within that time slot. Then we'll go down to add unavailable time. Once we're there, we can select staff. So we're going to keep it as Connor. We can select our location, the date itself for it, whether it will be ongoing, the day of the week, and then the actual time frame for the unavailable time. We can choose to repeat this on a weekly basis, monthly basis, or a yearly basis. Then we have two options here under services, one being all services including the future, and then select service manually. So underneath that, whatever services the business currently offers. Other than that, we can put in a note. We'll be on break. And then we can just go to complete. So you're going to get a confirmation message that this has been added successfully. Then once you've done that, we can go up and we can see that it's still not within there. So what you want to do is go over to your filters for staff. And then we just want to click on the applicable staff member. So Connor, we'll click on apply filter. And then we'll go up and we can see the one that we just put in for 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And that's it.